Hello, it's Jeanette Beauty, and jumping right into this tutorial, I'm going to section my hair into 3 parts. So I'm going to do 2 smaller parts in the front and then have 1 big section in the back. And I did let my hair air dry for about 6 hours. I did a full wash day routine with the Camille Rose Naturals, and then I did have to tend to Zanai, Kavari, and my other 2 boys. So I took a pause from filming and then I tend to them, and then I'm just going to come back and moisturize my hair and also style my hair in the twist. And I wanted to show you my process. First, I'm going to use the Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In Conditioner, and it smells so good, just like coconut, but not that artificial coconut smell. It does smell very sweet in a pleasant way. I am going to work the leave-in conditioner in my hair very well, and also I'm going to spray some more water in my hair. I like to style my hair on wet to damp hair. After I've worked the leave-in conditioner in my hair very well, I am going to apply the Herbal Tea Seal and Soften into my hair. This is a nice oil. It's going to help to seal that moisture in your hair and also to make your hair nice and soft, which is something that I really like. And I did mention in a previous video that I do use the leave-in conditioner and the oil in my hair to seal that moisture in, and then I'm going to continue to do that process on the rest of my hair. This just has been working really good for me, and then I'm going to come back to the first section and then start the styling process. And to start the styling process, I am going to be using Camille Rose Naturals Almond Joy Twisting Butter, and I really like this. It's lightweight, so it's not too heavy, and it also has a nice, like a cake frosting smell, which is something that I do like. I have a major sweet tooth, and anything that smells like frosting, cake, cookies, I really like it. And I'm only going to apply about a quarter size amount of the Almond Joy Twisting Butter to each section. This is just going to ensure that my hair is nice and smooth, because I do want my twist to be nice and hydrated and moisturized and just overall smooth. I don't want any frizz in my hair. I just like that nice sleek look, nice and neat, and that's just typically what I go for, which is why I do use a rat tail comb just to make sure all the products are smoothing my hair very well. I did feel that this was going to be a very light hold, so I am going to use the Camille Rose Curl Maker in my hair. This is just going to help my hair to really stay and just to really be hydrated. I find that the marshmallow root in the curl maker really gives my hair a nice amount of slip, and it really helps for my hair to hold without getting that crispy feeling. And once I've combed all the products in my hair and it feels pretty smooth, I'm ready to start the twist. So I am going to divide this section into 2 parts. It doesn't have to be perfectly even, but just to make sure that they look and they feel pretty consistent. You don't want to have a whole lot of hair and then just a little bit of hair for the other part on the twist. Otherwise, it's just not going to turn out very good, and then you'll run out of hair faster, and you just want to make sure that you're consistent. So I am going to divide it into 2 and then just wrap each section around each other till the end, and then I'm just going to twirl my finger around the end so it can have a nice curl. And I also have a few videos here on my channel where I do a 2-strand twist out, and I also do a 2-strand twist as a protective style. I will link those in the description box as a reference. And once I have finished twisting my hair, here's how it looks. And I went to bed just like this on my satin pillowcase. And because I did decide to wear my hair in twists as a protective style for a couple of days, I do want to make sure that I am maintaining the health of my hair. I want to really maintain and retain the moisture in my hair. That's what really keeps my hair thriving. So I did spray some water on my hair with my Mister bottle. This Mister bottle makes such a difference. I don't have to worry about a full spray bottle spraying too much water in my hair. The Mister bottle just missed enough water to where I can get enough moisture in my hair, and then I'm going to seal that moisture in with the Camille Rose Naturals Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. And Kavari just came home from going out to see his great grandmother, and he wanted to say hi to me. He knows I'm filming because I have the bright lights on, and he just loves being in my room, and I can't believe he's going to be 2 next month. And after I've sealed the moisture in my hair, I am going to put my bonnet back on and just go to sleep. Now it is time to take the twist out, and I'm just going to take my bonnet off. Here's how my twists look right before I unravel them. And my hair seems to have grown a little bit since I've cut it, and I'm very excited about that. My gold length is tailbone length. I was pretty close to that a few years ago before I started messing with color, and I'm looking forward to getting back to that length and even longer. So I know moisture is a huge key with the growth process and having a healthy hair journey. So I'm just making sure that I do really keep my hair nice and moisturized. Now it's time to unravel the twist. I like to gently pull my hair down and run my fingers over the twist before actually unraveling it. It really helps with this process. And I'm really liking how my hair looks. It's not the most defined twist out, but it's very soft and fluffy. And of course, for more volume, I am going to use my pick and just pick at the roots. I'm not going to comb through my hair because I will comb that definition out. I really liked how my hair turned out. It's soft and fluffy and voluminous. And if you liked my tutorial, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!